Animals of the forest. Moose. Moose are big mammals. They live in northern forests around the world. They are well adapted to this biome. Moose are prepared for forest winters. Long legs help them walk through deep snow. 2 layers of fur keep moose warm. Guard hairs lie over soft underfur. The forest floor can be hard or soft. Split hooves help moose walk across any surface. These hooves also help moose swim across rivers and lakes. Moose wander large home ranges. They usually travel alone. They travel to cooler forests each summer. In winter, they find food in southern forests. Male moose begin to grow antlers each spring. Antlers help them find mates. Big antlers also scare off forest predators. Moose charge at bears, wolves, and other enemies. Moose antlers grow throughout the summer. They can reach 6 feet or 2 meters across. In winter, moose lose their antlers. This helps save energy for the cold season ahead. Their conservation status is least concern, which means there's a lot of them still living, and their lifespan is up to 20 years. Twigs and leaves. Moose are herbivores. They munch on twigs and tree bark. They also like tall shrubs, leaves, and water plants. Moose do not have upper front teeth. They pull leaves from trees with their bottom teeth and upper lip. Moose diet. Aspen tree twigs, willow leaves, water lilies. Moose eat up to 60 pounds or 27 kilograms of food every day. Sometimes food is hard to find, but moose know how to survive in the forest. The end.